Hello friends, welcome to another episode. In this video we are using the if condition with another function. First simple if condition is to decide that if an employee is a full-time, then he have 1.5 leave per month, and if he is a contract, then he can only allow 0.5 or a half day. So let's do that, and then we create more complex if condition for a multiple days. For if bracket start full, then equal to full close, then uh, he have 1.5 per month and otherwise 0.5, right? And if I close and put enter, here he's eligible for 1.5. This to all of my rows, the formula is copied. If another condition that if a person have more than 12 months in an organization, so he can avail the whole year's leave. For it means that 1.5 or 0.5 multiplied by 12. Otherwise, he can take only leaves of months he accomplished. So I'm putting this example in condition. So if the person have number of months less than 12, then what he do, how many leaves he had? Sick leaves multiply by number of months. Else what should we do? 12 multiply by sick leaves, and I close the bracket. When I put enter, what will happen? So he have more than 1 year, so he has 18 leaves. But if I drag this formula below, so formula it will be different. So for example, this indicates that employee can take 4 leaves based on his number of months working in organization. So it means that employee can take only 4 leaves because he has less than 1 year tenure in that organization. So this is the quick video where I share you how you can use multiple formulas inside the if condition based on your requirement. Thank you for watching.